Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how you can get free mobile and TV reaches legally for free by using one applications. And before starting, let me make you clear that this application download link will be provided in the video description, so you click on the download link and install it. So once you install it, you open the application. On opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So in the above, you can see the total amount of free recharge money I have earned by using these applications. Yes, it's totally legal. There is no about hacking or tricks or anything related on this application. This is totally genuine and legal. So how you can earn those monies? So you can see in the form of free recharge or TV recharge. So you can see here the login credits. So just tap it. So you can see it below, claim today's credit. Just tap on it. So here you can get 7 pies by a login credit. So you can participate in the vocabulary and trivia. And one more, I forgot to mention that as I have already registered, so you click on registered using your mobile number or your Gmail or an email accounts depending upon your wishes. So if possible, you log in using your mobile numbers. That will be much useful for you. So the second method, you can see here a vocabulary and a trivia. So let's try the vocabulary games. So as you can see a word here, so you need to remember those spellings, and below you can see I have learned this word. So try to remember those words, and in the next step you need to type the same word as it was written earlier. Once you've done, click submit. So again, now here you have to match this similar number as written in the above. So just tap on it. It will lead to your next vocabularies. So in this way you can do the similar thing till you complete the 15 word, that is the vocabulary words. So once again you repeat it, try to remember those spellings, and below you can see here I have learned this word. So I'll be fast forwarding, so you keep watching till the end of this video. So now you can see as I've completed those vocabularies. Now here they are mentioning that 50 pies has been added to your wallet for playing today's vocabulary builder. So I have completed the vocabulary and earned the 50 pies. So every day you will get a different vocabularies. For today my vocabulary is completed. So the next game we'll try to play is the trivia. So in trivia, what you need to do, you need to check the questions above, and below you can see a true and false. So try to read the questions and try to answer whether it's true or false, but don't worry if you made a mistake also, they won't deduct your points. So just you need to complete it, so you can try yourself. So no matter whether you make a mistake or you correct it twice or thrice times, so you can try it until you move to the next questions. So you keep watching and I will be fast forwarding this again. You keep watching till the end of the video. So again I have completed this trivia. So you can see this, and I have completed again and I have achieved a 55 again by completing this trivia games. There is lots of, you can submit the questions, full questions and respect the different modes. So once you complete it, you can tap on the wallet. So we'll check the balance. As I have totally earned before was 718, but I have used many monies for riches, so right now my balance is 6.72. So in this way you can earn some monies, that is in the form of mobile recharge and TV recharge, that is this TVs or DTH respective to any TV recharges or any number mobile number recharges. So it is very useful for if you're a student or a people who wanna free recharge totally for free, then you can try these applications. So in my opinion that you should check this out by yourself and let me know in the comments below, and I will be providing this applications download link in the video descriptions. So you go and download from the video link given below in the video descriptions and try it by yourself. And if you face any problem, leave your comments below in the video descriptions. I will try to help you as far as possible. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and like before, please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.